If your BMW's infotainment screen has gone black, don't panic. There are several systematic steps you can take to diagnose and potentially fix this common issue. The first and simplest solution is to perform a system reboot. Locate the volume button on your steering wheel and hold it down for about 30 seconds until the screen goes black and then restarts. If the reboot doesn't work, check the fuses related to the iDrive system. These are typically located in the glove compartment or trunk. A blown fuse can easily cause a black screen and is a simple fix. Next, test your car battery's voltage using a voltmeter. A healthy battery should read between 12.4 and 12.7 volts. BMW systems are particularly sensitive to voltage changes, and a weak battery can cause the infotainment system to malfunction. Finally, disconnect any external devices like phones or USB drives. Unstable connections can sometimes disrupt the infotainment system. Remove all connected devices and test if the screen comes back to life. These 4 diagnostic steps will resolve most BMW infotainment black screen issues. Start with a simple reboot and work through each step systematically. When basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset may be necessary as a last resort. However, this will completely wipe all your personal settings, preferences, and stored data. Keeping your iDrive system software up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Outdated software can cause various issues and compatibility problems. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing infotainment system failures. This includes both software updates and routine hardware checks. If problems persist after trying these troubleshooting steps, it's time to consult a BMW dealership or certified mechanic for professional assistance. Finally, be aware of parasitic drains that can affect your battery and consequently your infotainment system. Regular battery voltage checks can help identify potential issues early.